If you own a brand or a Shopify store, here are 2 things that could be hurting your sales and costing you thousands of dollars. Email marketing, when done right, will be your highest sales channel, but there are some things to be mindful of. So here are 2 metrics that you need to keep as low as possible: bounce rate and unsubscribe rate. Bounce rate tells you how many emails didn't even get to the inbox in the first place. It tells you if your emails are reaching real people, and so kind of tells you how healthy your email list is. A high bounce rate means you have too many invalid email addresses and an unhealthy email list. So you're paying to send emails to these non-existent addresses. So you want a low bounce rate, something that's close to 0 as possible, or at most less than 1%. This is actually a screenshot of my brand email account. Second, unsubscribe rate. Simple enough. How many people are unsubscribing after getting an email from you? Look, unsubscribes are inevitable and can actually be a good thing when they happen properly. But a high unsubscribe rate, especially if they mark your email as spam, is deadly. It tells the email carriers like Gmail that people don't like this domain. People don't like the things that you're sending. And so these carriers are going to send your emails to spam. So you want to keep your unsubscribe rates below 1% and your spam complaints pretty much at 0. So how do you keep these 2 metrics low? Regularly clean your list. So delete, exclude disengaged emails. Segment your audience so you're only sending targeted campaigns to specific groups. And number 3, never, ever buy email lists. Keep these low and watch your sales go high. And if building a profitable email marketing machine for your store sounds interesting to you, then follow for more e-commerce email marketing tips.